Arguments today weren't about the results of last Tuesday's election, but by the process through which the Democrat-controlled General Assembly got that constitutional amendment before voters. Now, lawyers for Republican lawmakers who brought the initial suit really focused on 3 points in their initial challenge. One, that the special session where this all started last October wasn't within the scope to bring up something like this. Two, that it was passed too quickly and didn't allow courts to post notice about this electoral question as is required by law, and that three, that 1 million people had already voted early last October when the first step of this process was finalized, meaning the intervening election that's needed for this to be allowed to take place wasn't met. Those arguments were initially approved by a Tazewell County Circuit Court judge until the Democrats appealed and got this before the Supreme Court today. Their attorneys argued that it's up to lawmakers to determine the scope of a special session, that the posting requirement isn't needed in this day and age, and that Election Day is defined by many, including the federal government, as Election Day itself, not the early voting period beforehand. Each side had 30 minutes to make their case before the 7 justices of the Supreme Court, only 2 of which really asked any questions of the 2 sides, with most of the focus being on that definition of Election Day. Here's what people from the 2 sides had to say after today's hearing.
The Constitution is clear on every single one of the points that the General Assembly and the people validly ratified the amendment by strictly complying with the procedures set forth in the Constitution.
We think after listening to the oral arguments and certainly looking at the briefs, the law is very clear. The Constitution was not followed, and we hope that the court will rule accordingly.
Now, we don't know when the court might issue a ruling in this case, and of course there are at least 2 other lawsuits challenging the process behind the constitutional amendment and the redistricting. At least one of them has been agreed to be taken up by the Supreme Court at a yet-to-be-determined date. At the Supreme Court of Virginia, Cameron Thompson, CBS 6 News.